and gorgeous Karishma Kapoor. Arpita, would you like to speak about your collection, why Karishma and why Luxury Fashion?
I can use this. So my collection is titled Island Life. It's my first ever Instagram show for Fashion Week. So because it's a summer resort season, so I thought of doing a luxury line, which is something that you could wear for a cruise holiday or a tropical holiday. And as you can see, crochet is like a very important part of this collection. And that's why I've had the lovely Karishma Kapoor wear something so beautiful. And because luxury is a very important part of this line, and Karishma herself is all about luxury and style and fashion, I thought she'd be the most apt person to have on board for this.
Thank you. Karishma, would you like to
Well, it's always a pleasure to work for Arpita. I've worked for her earlier also. I think actually she can work for herself because she's such a stunning, pretty girl and such a talented designer. It's always a pleasure, you know, her clothes always have a particular element standing out with each collection. So that's quite special, and today of course is the first Instagram show, which was very different and interesting for us to shoot. So I think we had a great time, and I think the outfit is really stunning and very pretty. And all of us will want one of these outfits for the summer, for our holidays, to go to some lovely island. So it's been wonderful, and we've had a beautiful time.
Absolutely.
And I
Thank
hope
you.
Arpita gives me one of her lovely outfits.
Always, anytime.
Walking the floor for some questions. Does anyone have any questions?
A little bit about what she is wearing, maybe in terms of embellishments, if you could take us.
So Karishma is wearing this ivory crochet embellished jacket with fringes. She's wearing a crop top and high-waisted palazzo pants. So the idea is to keep it really modern and fusion. So you could wear it at, like I mentioned, like a luxury destination, and you could wear it for like a proper event. It's not just a day dress. You could wear it at night, you can wear it at day, you can glam it up. If you want to keep it easy, remove the jacket, you want to dress it up, put it on, and you're just sorted. It's like a multi-functional outfit.
Also, a little bit about the cuts and the styles that you've used for this collection.
So I've kept this collection really clean. I've kept it very boho chic. So the element of fringes is something that's running all throughout the collection. And apart from that, as I mentioned, the crochet trimmings, the fabric, embossed tulle is something which is very prominent. I've done slip skirts, I've done crochet shorts, like a jacket. It's a very fun and like easy to wear collection.
How about you, Karishma? What do you have to say about the collection? Overall, this is the outfit that she is wearing, but any particular,
Well,
other
I
outfit
think,
that you really like?
I think the collection has a lot of whites and creams, very summery, very pretty. And I think you all know I love black and white. So I think I really took to the collection. It's very summery, very feminine, very pretty. So I really like what I'm wearing too because it's very easy breezy. It's very glamorous, at the same time it's covered. So I think that's what I like about it.
You need another photo op or?
चलो मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले आपके आउटफिट के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, क्या पहना है आपने?
Well, this is Arpita Mehta's showstopper outfit. बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही glamorous outfit है. It's a cruise collection, it's a resort collection. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ एन आउटफिट कि आप दिन में भी पहन सकते हो, रात को भी पहन सकते हो. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वर्सेटाइल and very pretty and like I said very glamorous.
आपका क्या स्टाइलिश
Give us a peek into 2017 trend collection. What sort of colors would you want to explore?
Well, I think I have quite a lot of fixed colors, which I think everyone knows. I love blacks, I love whites, and I think this collection had beautiful creams and whites, very flowy, lots of crochet, very summery. So I like stuff like that.
ओके आपका क्या स्टाइलिश स्टेटमेंट है अगर आपकी बात
तो अगर आप मुझे पूछे then generally I think I like to wear very sophisticated clothes and I like to keep the look very minimalistic.
Karishma, everyone likes clicking selfies these days. So what is your favorite selfie pose?
Oh my god, is there a favorite selfie pose? I think it's this. Because
This camera is doing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you.